Good morning and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is going to be on love. This again is continuing with the In Search of God materials. This is the last lesson in book one, and then we'll move over to book two. There were two books in this series. Um, excuse me. Love's affirmation today is Our Father, through the love that thou hast manifested in the world through thy Son, the Christ, make us more aware of God is love. This is a very powerful lesson. Anybody who has the opportunity to read this book and study it with a group, you really are giving yourself a gift. Try to find an In Such a God group near you. So let's get started. As always, we say a prayer of protection in the Lord's Prayer as we guide ourselves into a quiet, special place. We'll sit silently. I'll read the affirmation. And after a few minutes of quiet reflection and seeing what comes to us, you will hear a chime, which will let you know I'm going to speak again. And we will close with imagining ourselves rolling the energy up the front of our body, from our feet to our head, and behind us from our heels up our back, over our head to our third eye, and with the final prayer of the 23rd Psalm. The only thing different with our meditations than those taught by the In Search of God group is the rolling of the energy, bringing it back up and making it strong. That's just something I found really useful and necessary for me. So I figure might be useful and necessary for somebody else. Let's throw it in there. Okay, let's get started. Take a deep breath, exhale, close your eyes, and invite yourself to relax and let go. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, feel yourself melting into your seat, getting comfortable, releasing any thoughts, and inviting every muscle to just relax and let go. Taking a moment to scan your entire body from the top of your head down to your feet. Notice if there is any tension, and if there is, bring your attention to that tension and invite it to let go. Notice how your body follows your mind. Mind is the builder. In this relaxed state, we will begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Notice above your head is this beautiful white light, like a sphere, just perfect in every way. You can feel the energy and the love, the joy coming from it just above your head. As it lowers itself into your head, feel your body separating into its three parts: mind, body, spirit. Still one, still connected, but distinct. As this beautiful beam moves into your throat, you continue to unwind the mind, body, and spirit. As it moves into your chest, your trunk, arms, hands, seat, you're just dividing yourself but staying united, mind, body, and spirit, as this beautiful beam does the work, moving through our legs and at our feet. we find the three parts of us, all standing separate but connected. And in this place, each part of us will reflect upon the affirmation of love. The mind, because the mind is the thing that functions for us in this world. It's what creates our futures. So we want to reflect on love. Our bodies, because our bodies are enriched by love. The more love that comes in from the divine, it helps strengthen us physically. And our spirit which carries all to us, to and from the divine, each has a purpose around love. So let each part of us sit in this reflection of this affirmation. Our Father, through the love that thou hast manifested in the world through thy Son, the Christ, make us more aware of God is love. Take just a moment and be thankful for this time and for any messages. And as you feel the three parts of you coming together, undistinguishable as one, Let us lean down in our mind's eye and roll the energy up the front of our body to the top of our head, and from the back of our body, from our heels all the way up our back and over our head. Becoming fully present and pulling ourselves fully in, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. There is a scheduling change with the meditations due to a work schedule change. I cannot do these until 7 a.m. I hope that's not too much of an inconvenience for those who join me live. But my husband's work schedule changed, and I want to see him off in the morning. I don't want to be on a computer. I know you understand. So have a blessed and wonderful day, and join me at intuition.com. Bye now.